This miracle liquid can clean the body, home, and pets. Have you ever come across one product that seems to do almost everything? And for once, it's not just marketing hype. That's exactly why so many people swear by pure Castile soap. This simple, age-old liquid has built a reputation for being one of the most versatile cleaners you can keep in the house. It can be used on your skin, in your laundry, around your home, and even for your pets. Although Castile soap is not a disinfectant, it's made from plant-based oils that help lift away dirt, grime, and grease without being harsh or corrosive. So, if you want one bottle that can replace a whole lineup of products, here are some of the most useful, tried, and true ways to use this miracle liquid. Number 1, skin cleansing and makeup removal. Let's start with personal care, because this is where Castile soap really shines. For hand, face, and body washing, it's one of the most straightforward uses. And since it's concentrated, a little goes a long way. A lot of people like it because it leaves the skin feeling clean, without that heavy coated feeling some products leave behind. It helps wash away sweat, oil, and everyday grime. And it can also be useful for removing light makeup and residue from the skin. The key is to use it carefully, especially around the eyes. And if your skin is sensitive, the unscented version is usually the safer bet. Number 2, hair and scalp cleansing. Another popular use for Castile soap is using it as a shampoo, and it's easy to see why. Many people like it because it gives the scalp a deeply cleansed, refreshed feeling. It helps remove all that leftover buildup from styling products, oils, and everyday residue. Of course, a lot depends on hair type, scalp sensitivity, and even water quality. But for someone who wants their hair to feel truly clean without synthetic detergents, this can be one of the most satisfying ways to use this soap. Number 3, shaving. This one makes a lot of sense once you think about it. You want something that gives enough slip for the razor to glide, while also helping cleanse the skin. Castile soap can lather well enough to get that job done, especially for areas like the legs, underarms, or face. This is one of those uses that often ends up becoming a regular habit because it's quick, easy, and surprisingly practical. Number 4, washing dishes. Castile soap cuts through grease and is especially handy for hand washing dishes. You can add a few drops into a sink of warm water or apply a diluted version with a dish brush or sponge. Some people also like Castile soap formulas made with tea tree oil, since tea tree oil is known for its antimicrobial properties. Plus, it gives the soap a fresh, clean scent. This is one of the easiest swaps for people who want to simplify what they keep under the sink. Instead of separate products for every little task, you can use one bottle that handles the basics well. Number 5, laundry and hand washing delicates. Castile soap can also be used for laundry, including hand washing delicates. That's one reason it appeals to people who want simpler, more minimal products in the home. Since it's already used on the body, many people feel comfortable using it on fabrics they don't want to wash with harsh or heavily fragranced detergents. For delicates especially, that gentle reputation makes it appealing. But like hair washing, laundry results can depend a lot on water conditions and the way the soap is used. Number 6, cleaning oral appliances. One lesser known, but very practical use for Castile soap is cleaning removable oral appliances. These include retainers, dentures, mouth guards, and night guards. Because these items can collect saliva, residue, and everyday buildup, they need regular cleaning. And a small amount of Castile soap can help with that. It's a simple option that many people like because it cleans without needing a separate specialty product for yet another item in the house. Number 7, DIY cleaning spray. Mixed with water in a spray bottle, Castile soap becomes a practical all-purpose cleaner for many sealed household surfaces. It can be used for routine wipe downs in kitchens, bathrooms, and other general household areas. The main thing to remember is that more soap is not better. In fact, using too much can leave residue behind. So be sure to properly dilute it. Number 8, cleaning fresh produce. This is one of those applications that instantly makes Castile soap seem even more versatile. A very small amount can be used to help clean fruits and vegetables, which is why it often gets mentioned among its more unusual uses. But technique matters here. You want to use only a very small amount and rinse produce extremely well. That makes this less of a dramatic, soak everything in soap moment, and more of a careful, practical cleaning method for fruits and vegetables when used appropriately. Number 9, mopping floors. This might sound like one of the less exciting uses, but honestly, it's one of the best. Floors collect dust, grime, sticky spots, and all kinds of everyday messes. Castile soap works really well as a diluted cleaner for routine floor washing. This is exactly where its reputation as a multi-purpose cleaner really makes sense. You don't need a different bottle for every single surface in the house. A simple diluted soap solution can handle regular maintenance cleaning just fine. Number 10, pet cleaning. Yes, pure Castile soap can be used as a pet wash. And this is another area where the unscented version is usually the smartest choice. For dogs especially, it's a popular option for washing away dirt, grime, and that unmistakable outdoor smell. But this is also an area where common sense matters. Not every pet has the same skin sensitivity, and some animals may react differently from others. So make sure it's properly diluted and take extra care with more sensitive pets. All in all, what makes Castile soap so impressive is not that it does one thing better than every specialized product on the market. It's that one bottle can handle an incredible range of everyday jobs. It simplifies your routine, cuts down on clutter, and proves that sometimes the most useful products are the ones that don't need to scream for attention. That's exactly why so many people keep coming back to it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who also loves simple home improvement content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.